Good evening friends, myself Jaideep Shinde from Donesh Technologies and I will be your host for today's session. In our session, today we will be talking about introduction to drones and its career prospects. Our speaker for today, Mr. Vikrant Suryavanshi, is a BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication and is also the CEO and founder of Eagletronics Aviation Private Limited. After working as a project associate in IIT Kanpur, he ventured into drone industry to gain more information and expertise. By his hard work and determination, he became an expert of drones such as multi-rotor, fixed wing and hybrid VTOL. He has completed multiple projects in land mapping, aerial surveying and assembling customized drones. I hereby welcome Mr. Vikrant to start our session today. Thank you.
Everyone, good evening to all. Thanks Jaideep for glad introduction. Welcome to all in today's introduction to drone and its career prospect webinar. I am Vikrant Suryavanshi, founder and CEO at Eagletronics Aviation. Before starting session, I will give you a short insight of commercial drone market. Global drone market size is expected to grow to $42.8 billion by 2025 at 13.8% CAGR. Drone services will be remain the biggest segment in the global market. Inspection is the leading application of drones. Asia is the biggest drone market today, and India is the widely expected to the third largest drone market in the world by the 2025. And three drone industry segments serve, such as hardware, software, and services. Next slide. So agenda of this session is to introduction of UAVs. What are the types of UAVs present in the market? What are the payloads used for the different application using the drone? Popular use cases of the drones, and at the last we will discuss the career prospect in the UAV sector. Next slide. UAV are the introduction to UAVs. UAV are the class of the aircraft that can fly without onboard presence of the pilot. Aircraft can be operated by remotely from the ground. The high precision sensors are fitted with aircraft to navigate around the disaster area for capturing images from air and allow crew members to do structural analysis based on real-time data. So most of you have seen UAVs in photography application and also in commercial reasons like inspection and monitoring. Drone is also used for the surveillance operations. Next slide. So type of the UAV based on aircraft structure and design are majorly considered in four categories like multi-rotor drones, fixed wing drones, fixed wing VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, and the last one is single rotor helicopter. Next slide. Based on number of rotors attached to the aircraft, drones are classified as bicopter, tricopter, quadcopter, pentacopter, hexacopter, and octocopter. DGCA have classified drones in 5 categories like nano, micro, small, medium, and large. For nano category drones, weight is below 250 grams, and micro category drones have categorized weight is greater than 250 gram to 2 kg. In small category drones, weight is 2 kg to 25 kg, and the greater than 25 kg and below 150 kg drone is categorized in medium category, and above 150 kg drones are in large category. Payloads of UAVs. The definition of the payload is the part of the load attached to the aircraft. The most commonly used payloads with UAVs are digital camera, It is also known as the RGB camera. It is used for the aerial mapping application. And the second one is LiDAR, light detection and ranging. It works in the day as well as night for the application. And third one is the multispectral imaging sensor, especially used in the agricultural sector for the analysis of crop health. And last one is the thermal infrared imaging sensor. It is used for the inspection purpose, like wind turbine inspection, solar panel inspection, power line inspection. The popular uses of the drone is the drone can be used for different application in the world. So nowadays, for GIS application, drone are widely used. GIS means Geographical Information System. You have seen use of the drone in COVID-19 pandemic situation. Ini- uh, Initiative taken by the Indian Drone Squad. Drones are used for the surveillance operation in the India. So in Bollywood industry, drone is used for the film production with high resolution sensor attached to the drone. If we consider the drone uses in military sector, then defense and military are uses drone for bomb detection with advanced sensor attached to the drones. They are also uses drone for surveillance operation for border security as well as crowd monitoring. Drone are also used for film and journalism industry, logistic and delivery, disaster management, rescue operation and healthcare. It is also used for the delivery purpose, like medical delivery application. A drone is also used for the agricultural field, and with the help of the drone, we can monitor in the wildlife, like forest sector. We can use the drones, and most popular use of the drone is aerial photography and videography. Right now, we have discussed the introduction to UAVs. What are the types of UAVs present in the market? What are the payloads used for the specific application and application of drones? So now we see the career perspectives in UAV sector. If you are interested in flying your drone and also have the good flying skills, then you will do the your career in as a commercial drone pilot. So in the world, there are multiple job opportunities are available as a commercial drone pilot. So for the application of service for the services with the help of the drone, there is the commercial drone pilot requirement. If your profession is photography or you want to become a professional photographer, then you will be a aerial photographer. And you are from technical background, like a bachelor degree, then you will become a drone engineer. Like for the production sector, there are the number of engineers required for the analysis of the structure, for control system, and also for testing purpose, drone engineer are required. And drone maintenance and service engineer is also required in the drone industry. So you have opportunity to work in UAV sector, like drone engineer, drone maintenance and service engineer. Also, drone application engineer is required in the UAV sector. And for land mapping and surveying, there are lot of there are the number of drone pilot required for the field operations. So courses offered by the Droneage technology is we are offering the advanced drone pilot training program, and this is the five days program. We are giving the theoretical as well as practical training to the individuals. We are also providing the aerial photography training, industrial mapping and certification program we are offering, and drone pilot crash course. If you are interested to making your drone, then we will also providing the drone development course And for kids, we are providing in basic level of the drone training.
Thank you very much for attending our today's session. For more information about our courses and workshop on drones, please contact on the information given during the presentation. Requesting you all to please like, share and subscribe our channel Dronage Technologies. Thank you.